Boy, my man want me up. I want to share contact about man want her. No need to keep on yourself one side and go learn when man want to know from when man do not want to know. Alright, me get to understand say some man have little technical difficulties in the era when they don't know when a man want them or not. Because some of them grown to talk about man want to know and the man them do not want to know. Since me see like you have little problem in this era, it seem like me have to go help you know. I go and go know some reason for know when the man them do not want to know. Because no seems to get this thing twisted. First thing first, if you know a man they from Wapikill fill up couple months now well a pass and yarn him there and as far as where you know yarn him there. And every time you cook little food and him come your yard come check your yard for him say baby see me cook little food I eat little every time him tell you say is either in the eat already or man in front them I go some go eat or him belly full. Make I tell you something baby he no want you. You have to understand say no man not too want no man fin yam nothing from unless they want them. Because unless the man then yammy then no just go just yam for anybody so when you no see that and then no want nothing fin yam brown no. He no want you. And next thing again, if any time you hear and call for your phone a morning time when time cock almost a jump up off of their roof before their morning time when him come from club ongo then the time them a go come check your baby make I tell you something. That name booty call. That means say want your booty or you want a hand underneath you so baby but he no want you. Then the time they then wish them could have just chop out your lily front and have you one side and never have to wake you up to bother with you. And that mean he no want you. If every time you go to Bams and you ask and say, baby, come here, you go somewhere, no, you have a problem if you go with you. And if you do decide to go with you, you move low like submarine underneath water. On go submarine, I go deep and lower than him, baby, make I tell you something, you don't want anybody see on him, that means he no want you. If anytime you ask him to go on an event where everybody where you know all of your associates, them are going, you know, want got that type of event. But you hear one got some event where there are some place like up at some place, me never call some place to some people big. But up at some bush and some country place and some dead yard where nobody never hear about. I go them place then can carry a baby make I tell you something you know want nobody bless them hype and him. That means he no want you. If you have a man and when you're gonna wear yarn him then you wear your friend then you catch him more than 1, 2, 3 times and look for your friend baby make I tell you something chances are he interested in your friend more or interested in you that means say he no want you. If you're gonna wear with your friend and him and when you look at your friend talk you hear my kiki after your friend everything your friend say baby make I tell you something find a next man keep because he no want you. If anytime you try to call your man, if you have a man where you claim say your man or you think he want you, and every time you call him phone back to back, and you cannot get him every time. You cannot get him. And when you do get a chance, sit there around him. His phone a ring and independent phone back to back. Baby take sleep. That and pick sense out and nonsense. That mean you in a one talk to. And do not want to talk to you. That mean he no want you. Me no know how much more no feel elaborate because me no know why somebody na make mistake and think man want to know when man no want to know. If when no look and then come out no yard come check you. And una and him do any little thing in sweet before any little thing go on and buy it done you hear and get up sin phone ring right away come like in the set up the call. Somebody a call him and he have to go somewhere or they have to do something or something as you no done do you have to do you have to go somewhere baby make I tell you something he no want no extra time with you. All he want is the something where they between your foot and your vagina and don't want anything else at all to do with your baby. He no want you. Take sleep back, let her open up then too big sit me and tap watch you for business and watch phone no business and know and somebody want to know from when they do not want to know. And next thing again, if you and him there, you try to introduce him to your mother or your father from what pickle fill up and every time him go around, come around with excuse and talk about oh, your mother might not like me or your father might not like me, make I tell you something. He no want you, him no interested to meet them. No top galang like how na idiot or no ban no mama gana market. You know if you know when somebody want to from when somebody no want you, the man then do not want you. If anytime you ain't call you and sit him a beg you all when you feel say him having one of things, baby as somebody him a look for your mouth again. he no want you. You know if you know when man want to know from when man no want to know. If you know a man there and people catch up a road in a war and turn up and make people beat on a road, he no want to know if you know these things. Me no know much more elaborate to know what me elaborate now. If you know when man want to know from when man no want to know. If man have money and stone dog, you can't get the money from him unless you have to beg and come up with complaint now. You want God doctor and belly and hurt you and baby and breathe for that way. And the young guy you can't get a dime from him. He no want you. Me nah nothing more too much more I tell you upon this. If you no want know nothing more, na figure along in the Wally British guidelines or no inbox me wanna wear privately, baby. But he no want you.